Winch product. Decided to put the winch there. I'm talking about buddy of mine to put it on the tongue. So I did. Reinforced it. What I used, voila, with that. And I put it on the low speed. So I'm gonna try it out. Give me 1 second. There. Well, the middle bar is going to have to come out. What I might do is cut it here, and just go, or make it go like this, a triangle. I don't know, figure something out. Or just might cut it out, but I might make a triangle so that way it can just feed right through the center. Now, plunge it in. Oh, there it is. Melt it. What I might have to do is take that, rip it in two, and run a piece from here, or from here to this here. Make a channel so that way it supported the tongue for the weight. So what I might do is see how much I got left on that, and I may have to rip it in two and go from there. Or I use some angle iron over there, put it together. That's what that is. Two pieces of angle iron, butt it together. And I also painted the hooks. I made them longer. I put these on. now I've painted them. The chains. Well, took me 3 hours to build that, cut that all up, and about half an hour to put this on, and 2 fine bolts I had laying around. And it works. I might put this on here, I'm not sure. Takes too long. That's low speed and that's fast speed. I might try that one. Just take that off and try it on that one. Well, that's about it. It's a little hard on the back, bending over. Well, it's on. The winch is on. I got the wire out, and I had to grounded the wire down there because it broke up over there. Wire broke, so I'm gonna get some wire protection, put it on it, and run her up. Should be some underneath too, but I don't. I think the dollar store sells it, so I'll check them sometime. They usually have it cheap. Oh, coming. I was going to use the winch there, but I decided to put the winch there. What I might do is lift these 2 boards up, cut them out, use that board over there, and fill in the holes. Maybe. Or say the heck with it and leave them where they are. I don't know. Not in the way. What I might do is put the 2 boards up, cut them off, put them back down, and fill them in. Fill the hole. I got the boards over here. Pieces. Got lots of pieces right there. Use some of those. Stick them in. Easy peasy. And going back in. Well, it's coming along, but I do believe I'm going to have to put some supports in the front for it to support it. Because you don't want the tongue to bend. So I run one, like I said, one from here to here to there, even though it's paint sticky. Oh, trim clad, you gotta love it. Didn't take very long to make it. Looks pretty good. And she's solid. Ain't gonna go anywhere. Stuff came in handy. I lost $10 on the winches, or I lost $10 on the hinges, and I made those. And those things in there that support was from the channel there on here. I cut out, put them there. It's all welded up. Grind it down, paint it, done. And it's long enough to get out here, winch up anything I need to winch up. It won't go up. Probably the skidoo, probably the first thing. That weighs about 400 pounds. And that thing takes 1,800 pounds torque. Bought that years ago. I was planning to put that on the back of the truck back in 2018. That's how long I had it. That's the old truck I had, the old Dodge Dakota. I was going to put a lift on that. Well, that's it. These are, well, there's more of it right there. So I put the A-frame on it. I got one side done, and I ran out of wire from my welder. So tomorrow I'll get some more wire to finish it. But the other thing is, putting that piece on there, it's heavy. So I didn't really need to do what I did back there, but to get this piece on, it's was longer, so I still had to do what I had to do. So thought I'd show you a quick video of it. And that's about it for that one. I'll update you when the other piece is put on. Check you later.